Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to enable notifications on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Android phone's settings. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, navigate to the section labeled Apps. This is where you can manage the settings for all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Instagram. Once you've located Instagram, tap on it to open the app settings. Now, within the Instagram app settings, look for the option that says Notifications. This is where you can customize the notification settings for Instagram. Tap on the Notifications option to access the notification settings for Instagram. Here, you will see various options for customizing how you receive notifications from the app. To enable notifications for Instagram, simply turn on the toggle switch for Show Notifications. This will allow Instagram to send you notifications for likes, comments, messages, and other activities on the app. Once you've enabled the Show Notifications toggle, you can further customize your notification settings by choosing the type of notifications you want to receive. You can also customize the sound, vibration, and other settings for Instagram notifications to suit your preferences. That's it. You have successfully enabled notifications for Instagram on your Android phone. Now, you will never miss out on any important updates or interactions on the app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.